free offer? What offers do we have for you? It depends in which category you fit in. The majority of people that we've helped so far fall into two categories, some on the left side and some on the right side. Those from the left side are those who are looking for buying courses to watch in a relaxed space like in school. You attend whenever you want, you skip whenever you want. You are also busy with other projects, working a bit on one, working a bit on another, and you are unsure which one to focus on. You are the kind of person that wants to see, who knows, I'll give it a try, maybe something comes out of it. You need just courses, and when it comes to a portfolio, experience, company values, recommendations, how to build commercial projects, how to be successful in tests, how to present yourself in interviews, how to write a CV that generates phone calls, questions and answers, and all kinds of phone call strategies, 30 years of experience in the domain from others, experience from community members, our network of recruiters, our connections with the companies that we are in contact with. If you do not require all of those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of techniques, technologies, tips, tricks, and you only need courses, well, if the rest of the responsibility to sort out everything and make sure that everything is right falls on you, then it is very simple. I have very good news for you. Just like Elon Musk did, releasing for free the Tesla patents, that is exactly the same action we took when we made all the projects public and free. All the projects and all the courses and all the tens and tens of people that get hired so far with them, all of those ones are public on youtube.com/Kota. It doesn't cost you anything. It's all free. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to ask us anything. You don't need to say anything. You watch when you want and when you don't want. If you are the kind of person similar to what I have described above, then you fit to the left side, and there is no point for you to keep listening to what comes next, because you should be busy studying the projects from the older versions that were made public on Kota on YouTube, where we don't offer one-to-one support anymore. On the other hand, you can be the person that fits in the right side. You are the kind of person that would have wished to get hired yesterday in the best case or as soon as possible. You want to start a career in a promising domain where the limit to how much you can grow is given only by how much experience you have and how much impact you can bring upon an IT company as a web developer. You want to follow a process that offers the fastest evolution in portfolio and work experience with commercial projects. You want to understand what it means to focus on a single thing and to become as good as possible instead of spending your time in hundreds and hundreds of places and to accomplish only bits and pieces everywhere. You want to receive help from those that currently work as web developers, those that earn their bread every single day offering their services for IT companies in London, the UK. You want to get advice from those that started from zero experience, all those that worked the same journey you're about to do as well. You want to have 2 years so you can evolve as much as possible. If you want all of this, then here are 3 offers: level 1, level 2 and level 3. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Wow Dope and apply.